Hello everyone, it's Lacey from Grandma Auto Repair and I am here to do the very last customer appreciation drawing for the month of September 2020 to find out who our final winner is for the $50 Target gift card. And we have our service advisor, Rob, to do the drawing for us. I can't get out of the video, hold on.
And I think we've got a winner. Maybe. Mixing up some more. Okay, I got one. Oh, she's gonna be so excited. Donna Bidwell, congratulations.
Thank you, Donna, for sharing our post on Facebook. Actually, for sharing lots of our posts on Facebook. And I will be letting you know that you won. And congratulations. Thanks everyone who participated this month by liking and sharing and commenting on our posts and helping us out. And we just appreciate all of you and we hope that you all have a really great week. Thanks. Bye.